Всем привет! Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another amazing episode for you today, guys. This cake is blackberry and lime and it's a raw vegan dessert. It has no dairy, no gluten, no refined sugar, and it's perfect for those who are gluten-free as well. This cake is so beautiful, it's delicious, it's kind of screaming perfect summer flavors. I really love the combination of blackberries and lime, so the cake is actually quite fruity and zesty. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can become a member on AllasYummyFood to get access to all my recipes. The link is down below in my description box. You can sign up and join thousands of other people just like you in our baking and cooking community. Now let's get cooking. Into your food processor, you're gonna add your soaked nuts with vanilla extract, lime juice, melted coconut butter, vanilla extract, and also add some lime zest. This is gonna be so yummy. We're then gonna blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth. This can take up to 5 minutes depending on your food processor or blender, so you have to be quite patient here, because cashews, especially if they're soaked, it'll be easier for them to break down, but if you want a very smooth crust, you might need to just go around and blitz it further. I'm using 16cm inch ring. This is a quite delicious small cake as it's very nutritious and filling. So we're going to place the baking ring on top of parchment paper on the board. This way it will be easier for us to place it into the freezer. And you're going to add your crust. It's going to be quite wet, which is normal. And what you're going to do, you're going to divide your crust around your mold using your hands and making sure you have the base and the borders around the cake. So just go around it and kind of put it around the corners and the sides. It's pretty easy as the crust is quite flexible and it's quite nice to work with it. It's just a little bit sticky. So just go around and do that. Once it's done, you're gonna then place this into the freezer to set while we prepare our filling. Into a food processor, I'm gonna add my defrosted blackberries. You can technically use any other fruit that you like. Coconut oil, which I melted. You're then gonna go ahead and add your honey. You can use maple syrup or any of the sweetener that you like. Lime juice, and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. If you don't like the seeds, you can sieve this mixture through, but I personally love the seeds, so I'm going to keep it out. We're then going to add our chia seeds and mix everything together one more time. Chia seeds will really help to solidify our berry filling just inside. Now our berry filling is done. We're going to set this aside. Here is our crust. It's now completely frozen. You're going to go ahead and add your berry, blackberry, lime filling all the way inside, just like so. Scrape everything out. Make sure it's nice and even, and it fits absolutely perfectly. Then, if you want, you can roast some almonds for decorations. This is completely optional, and I just like to do it straight away and then decorate the cake as it goes. So I'm adding some blueberries and some roasted almond nuts all around it, and some fresh lime zest. After this, place your cake back in the freezer to set fully, and then once it's ready, you can take it off the parchment paper. Use a sharp knife to go around the edges and get your cake out. I love using rings because the cakes come out pretty fast and easy, and it's just nice and, comfortable. Just push it out, don't be scared. The cake will eventually come out from your warm hands. Just keep pushing it up and down. And there you have it, guys. Delicious blackberry lime cake. Absolutely amazing. So fresh and delicious. Absolutely perfect combination of flavors. It's just perfect for the summer. It's tangy and crunchy at the same time.